Hello friends, welcome to Teach Tutorial Now. Friends, today we are going to learn how to give a life on your image. So friends, I will show you what can you create from your photo. So let's see.
I'm not weird and creepy. I'm cool and awesome.
Okay, so there's lots of effect you can create with your still photo. So today is a very interesting video. So let's start the video. Friends, open your Play Store and install the app named Talking Photos from Me. Okay, so install it, and I have already installed. So I open this app. After this, friends, you can see interface like this. Okay, so after this, click on the choose photo and you can import your photo whatever you want to give animate. And I select my photo. Suppose I want to give animation in this bride. Okay, so I just click here and select the position of this and make it to fit on the screen, and after this click on the right button. After this, friends, there you can see effect. If you will click on the whistle, like this. Friends, okay, friends, you can record voice as well if you want to. There is lots of different phrase expression you can make, like this or like this. You can see it's a pretty simple, beautiful effects, and like this. So it's a very beautiful effect, so I love it. Okay, so suppose I record voice and click on the hold to record. Okay, long press. Hello friends, I'm Sanjana. I'm from Guna, Madhya Pradesh. This is my wedding photo created by me, and I love you all. Hello friends, I'm Sanjana. I'm from Guna, Madhya Pradesh. This is my wedding photo. You can make sweet.
Hello friends, I'm Sanjana. I'm from Pune, Madhya Pradesh. This is my wedding photo created by me, and I love.
You can make low.
Hello friends, I'm Sanjana. I'm from
After
Pune,
this, friends,
Madhya Pradesh.
click on the next
This is
button
my
and
wedding photo
click on the
by
save share,
and
and again click on the
Hello
save share.
friends, I'm
So the
Sanjana.
video is saving to your gallery. So I hope you friends like this video, and if you have any problem, just comment below and let me know what you want to learn from me next, and I will help you with anything. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. It's most important for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon with a new video.